Acronym full form: AAI Airport Authority of India, ABJ Arterial Blood Gas, ABP Anand Bazar Patrika News, ABM Anti-Ballistic Missile, ABS Anti-Lock Braking System, AC Alternating Current, ACD Automatic Call Distributor, ACC Associated Cement Companies, ACP Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACS American Chemical Society, ACU Asian Currency Union, AD Anno Domini, ADB Asian Development Bank, Adidas Adobe Adi Dassler, ADHD Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, ADR American Depository Receipt, AHRC Asian Human Rights Commission, AIAAA American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, AICTE All India Council for Technical Education, AIDS Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, AJAX Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, ALS Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis, AMNPM AM Anti-Meridium, PM Post-Meridium, AMC Annual Maintenance Contract, American Motors Corporation, AMIE Associate Member of the Institution of Engineers, AML Acute Myeloid Leukemia, Amul Anand Milk Union Limited, AMW Asian Motors Limited, ANM Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery, API Application Programming Interface, APJ Abdul Kalam Abul Pakir Jain Ulabdin Abdul Kalam, APK Android Application Package, ARMD Age-Related Macular Degeneration, ARDS Acute Respiratory Distress Syndrome, ASAP As Soon as Possible, ASAT Anti-Satellite Weapons, ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASEAN Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASLV Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, ASP Active Server Page, ASR Automated Speech Recognition, ASTM American Society for Testing and Materials, ATA Advanced Technology Attachment, AT&T American Telephone and Telegraph Company, ATM Automated Teller Machine, ATP Adenosine Triphosphate, ATS Anti-Terrorism Squad, AWACS Airborne Warning and Control System, BA Bachelor of Arts, BAE Before Anyone Else, BAMS Bachelors of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, BARS Baba Atomic Research Center, BAS Basic Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, BBA Bachelor of Business Administration, BBC British Broadcasting Corporation, BCA Bachelor of Computer Application, BCCI Board of Control of Cricket in India, BCA Bachelor of Computer Application, BCCI Board of Control of Cricket in India, BCE Before Common Era, BCG Bacillus Calmette Guerin, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, Video Blog Development Officer, BDS Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BEd Bachelor of Education, BE Bachelor of Engineering, BFSI Banking Financial Service and Insurance, BHIM Bharat Interface for Money, BHMS Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BIFR Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, BIOS Basic Input Output System, BIS Bureau of Indian Standards, BKU Bharatiya Kisan Union, BLOB Binary Large Object, BMC Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, BMD Bone Mineral Density, BMI body mass index, BMR basal metabolic rate, BMS Bachelor of Management Study and Business Management System, BMT bone marrow transplant, BMW by Research Motor and Work, BOB Bank of Baroda, BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, BPL below poverty line and British Physical Laboratories Group, BPO business process on outsourcing, BRB be right back, BRICS Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, BRO Border Road Organization, BSc Bachelor of Science Base Station Controller, BSF Border Security Force, BTC Bodo Territorial Council, BTech Bachelor of Technology, BTS Bangtan Soniondan, CA Chartered Accountant, CAA Citizenship Amendment Act, CCA City Compensatory Allowance, CABG Coronary Artery Bypass Graft, CAD Computer Aided Design, CAG Comptroller and Auditor General of India, CAIIB Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers, CAGR Compound Annual Growth Rate, CAT Common Admission Test, CBC Complete Blood Count, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation and Central Bank of India, CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, CC Cubic Capacity Cubic Centimeter Carbon Copy, CCC Course of Computer Concepts, CCIL Clearing Corporation of India Limited, CCTV Closed Circuit Television, CD Compact Disc, CDMA Code Division Multiple Access, CEO Chief Executive Officer, CFA Chartered Financial Analyst, CFL Compact Fluorescent Lamp, CFT Complement Fixation Test, CFO Chief Financial Officer, CGI Computer Generated Imagery, CGL Combined Graduate Level, CGPA Cumulative Grade Point Average, CHF Congestive Heart Failure, CIA Central Intelligence Agency, Civil Credit Information Bureau India Limited, CIF Customer Information File, CID Crime Investigation Department, CII Confederation of Indian Industry, CISF Central Industrial Security Force, CMA Credit Monitoring Analysis, CML Chronic Myelogenous Leukemia, CMO Chief Medical Officer, CMS Contact Management System, CMV Cytomegalovirus, CNC Computerized Nuclear Control, CNG Compressed Natural Gas, COB Closed of Business, COBOL Common Business Oriented Language, COO Chief Operating Officer, COPD Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, COVID-19 Coronavirus Disease of 2019, CPCB Central Pollution Control Board, CPM Cost per Mile, CPO Central Police Organization, CPR Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, CPT Common Proficiency Test, CPU Central Processing Unit, CRISIL's Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, CRM Customer Relationship Management, CRPC Reactive Protein, CRPF Central Reserve Police Force, CRR Cash Reserve Ratio, CRT Cathode Ray Tube, CS Company Secretary and Computer Science, CSC Common Service Center, CSC Computer Science Engineering, CSIR Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSR Corporate Social Responsibility, CSS Cascading Style Sheet, CST Central Sales Tax, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Central Standard Time, CTBT Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, CTC Cost to Company, CTO Chief Technology Officer, CTS Check Transaction System and Clear to Send, Civic Curriculum Vitae, CVA, cerebral vascular accident or cerebrovascular accident. Computer. No, but can be termed as common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research.